stucco patch material I bought at the store, I would still do this. That way I could just do a little bit where it is. And then see how it turns out. Okay, I'm kind of curious how this is gonna blend in. I'll do those two patches first. And you see I've got this other patch. I think the color is going to be fine, so I don't think I'm going to put any tape up in there. I think I'm just going to continue that down. I wanted to do the roofing material first. In fact, you know what? I don't know if I'm going to actually do this one today. I'm going to try this. The weather was good enough, and I thought, oh, you know what? I'll just get out here and try these patches, because see on this deck, I'm putting roofing material. I've been using this stuff over here, Durabrite, Henry's Durabrite, 100% acrylic white elastomeric roof coating, and I use that, and I'm doing this deck like a rooftop deck, like a flat deck, let's say, and I've been using this stuff here, you know, for the inside corners, and also that tape, and I'm gonna end up putting a couple more coats over this floor. And I thought maybe I should coat this a couple more times first before I put the stucco patch stuff on it. And so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm not going to put that patch on right now, but I still thought I would try this. Let's just see what happens when I put this on, huh? This stuff was in the garage in the containers when we moved in. I almost threw it out. I wasn't sure what it was. I'm glad I opened it up and I looked at it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that on. And initially when I did the patch with the Durham's Rock Hard Water Putty, I made it low because I wasn't quite sure if I put something on it how much it could build up. And I probably should have put more on, or I can just do it like this, huh? Build it up a little here. I probably should have put something down on the floor first, you know, my cardboard or something. But you know, I think I can clean that off. It's not that big of a deal. Boy, I think that's gonna work just like that. I don't even know if I'm gonna use the paint roller. Now I guess I could use it. And no, I don't think the roller's really working very well. I thought see, if I did it with a putty knife, I thought I would mash it down so far I wouldn't get the little perforations like what's on the rest of the stucco. But I think it'll come through anyways, because there's so much sand in there. There's no way I can make that perfectly smooth. You know what I mean? Because there's just too much sand in there. So I think that stuff's gonna work. Now what I have to do, and it looks to be the same color, doesn't it? You see, now I'm gonna have to take the masking, the tape off of here. And then I can blend it in. Let's just see how well the patch worked. That's not too bad. I got a little putty knife here. Maybe I can just go around the edge and kind of blend it in, huh? This is going to be interesting to see how well this patch is going to turn out, but I think it's going to be fine. When this stuff dries, when it dries, hopefully it'll blend in color-wise. Wow, this stuff is just like on there. Get it so there's not a little line right there. Man, I'm really having to dig into it. I wonder how it would bend had I not put the tape down. I think it would be all over the place. But if it's the very same color, that might have worked too. There it is. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, let's come over here and do this other one. What do you think of that patch? Once it dries, we'll see how it turned out. I think I got it blended in there really nice. Maybe right in there I can try to mash it down just a hair more, but not too much. It's actually really good. I don't know if I should mess with it anymore. Sometimes it's like, okay, you know when to keep going, know when not to keep going, you know? I'm liking that. I think I'm going to leave it. Wow. I wasn't sure how well that stuff was going to stick to the wall. If it was just going to slide right off. Because on that patch, when I put this rock hard water putty in there, I was like, okay, should I prime that? So I went ahead and primed it even. And okay, this time I'm just gonna put it on with my putty knife, I guess. and I wasn't sure if I should prime the patch first or if this stuff was going to actually stick without the primer on there. It looks to be sticking. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.